Welcome back to my kitchen faucets channel. Today, I'm going to show you step by step how to replace a Moen 1248 cartridge. If your faucet is leaking or hard to turn, a worn out cartridge might be the issue. Let's get started. Tools and materials: a replacement Moen 1248 cartridge, a Phillips screwdriver, an adjustable wrench, a cartridge puller or needle nose pliers, plumber's grease, a towel or rag, a bucket. First, turn off the water supply to prevent any leaks. Locate the shut-off valves under the sink or near the bathtub. If you don't have shut-off valves, turn off the main water supply to your house. Then, turn on the faucet to relieve any remaining water pressure. Now, let's remove the handle. Use a screwdriver to take out the screw securing the handle. Then carefully pull the handle off. If it's stuck, wiggle it gently. After that, remove any decorative trim or escutcheon plate covering the cartridge. Now, you'll see the old cartridge. Before removing it, take note of its orientation so you can install the new one correctly. Use an adjustable wrench to loosen the retaining nut, then grab a cartridge puller or pliers to remove the old cartridge. If it's stuck, gently wiggle it back and forth until it comes loose. Before installing the new cartridge, apply a little plumber's grease to the O-rings. This helps with smooth operation and prevents leaks. Now, slide the new cartridge into place, making sure it's aligned the same way as the old one. Secure it by tightening the retaining nut. Now, reattach the trim plate and handle, tightening everything securely. Once that's done, turn the water supply back on and slowly test the faucet. Check for leaks and ensure the handle moves smoothly. And that's it. You've successfully replaced your Moen 1248 cartridge. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more DIY plumbing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.